G'day YouTube, how's it going? So, I'm guessing by the thumbnail and the title, part 2. That's right, the next package has arrived. I was up early this morning, washing my bike, and I come out and the package was at the front door. So I'm guessing it must have come yesterday afternoon. Anyway, let's go and open it up, eh? Right, now we're inside. Let's check out the package. I got a box cutter this time. Last time I was using my wife's good knife. I've got my own King Chrome. Never can seem to find it, you know. Don't you hate it when you buy new tools and then they go walkabout? Right, best way to open this, let's have a look. Right. I don't think at first, I probably don't. Excuse my coffee cup, it's still quite early in the morning. I don't need that. Alright, I think we can just tear it open at first. Yep, there we go. Phone. Alright, this is where we're going to need a box cutter. It's totally got tape all over it, surrounding it. So, get our trusty old box cutter, cut away from myself. One there. One on the side. And one on that side and there. That should be enough. Let's have a look. You beauty. Right. So I've looked at a couple of videos. MTO7 on how to install, so I'm going to try and install them on my own. One of the things I did learn is you got two different sizes. This big one is for the throttle body, and this smaller one goes on the not throttle side, clutch side, brake, clutch, yeah, I think clutch, the left side. So left, right. So again, why I ordered them, I got the MTO7 emblem on them. I thought they were cool as, and they were discounted, so I got them with my little discount deal. So I guess now we will skip to where I'm trying to put it together. Alright, so we'll start with the left side first. Gonna just undo this. So I'm hoping that I don't have to cut the old grip. I'm hoping that she'll be fairly loose. When I first got my bike, I actually had an accident when it was only 8 days old. I was back at work really late, helping my boss put away buses and shit, and so I left when it was dark, and I went down one of the old country roads, and basically come to a T intersection, and there was a giant pile of gravel, but I couldn't see that. And I seen a car coming, but it was still a distance away, and I thought, right, you know, I've got enough time, I'll go. And yeah, so I took off, and before I knew it, I was on my ass because the back wheel had hit the gravel and whoop, slipped me out. And look at that. And yeah, long story short, I bent the bar. new bars were put on. Man. Now one of the videos said about putting new glue on, or they also had an easy trick, which was hairspray. I don't know if all of you know, but hairspray goes really sticky when it dries. So you spray it on and spray it in the hand grips, slip it on, got a little bit to adjust, and then it actually dries, and you leave it for about half an hour, and it will actually act like glue and make it sit there. Okay, sorry if the angle is a little off, guys. So we've got our lever here. So I'm gonna have it to where the MT07 is facing me. I've tried to clean it up. I think it was a little bit of combination of old glue and a little bit of rust on that. It looked nasty, but it pretty much cleaned up okay. So just gonna put a little bit of hairspray on the ends here. And on the actual bar. Okay. Slip her on like that. MT07. Adjust it where I want it. Just go there, slightly pointing up. And I'll do the same when I do this one. Yeah, I like that. Alright, that's pretty much where I want that one. So, I'm now gonna put this back on. So that one seemed to go on pretty well. As you can see, just I fitted it. I've lined it up to where she's kind of slightly pointing up, and so I'm now going to put on the second one. looks pretty straight. There's the wider angle, maybe slightly off, but when I feel them, they feel where I want them. So yeah, as you guys saw, we can, with little fiddling around with a screwdriver and a bit of hairspray, we can get them off to where the old grips are okay, and if we ever want to use them again, they're all good. I doubt I will, but you know, I just didn't feel comfortable cutting them, and so I didn't. Okay guys, so we've got it all fitted now, and I'm pretty happy with it. I've never done this before, so you know, we'll see if the hairspray glue really does hold. I watched 2 videos, both videos previous to me doing this said to use hairspray and that it works, and I'm pretty sure I've seen one before that. So yeah, right, next video tomorrow is Gold Coast bike night. So for the next video, for the guys that have stuck to the end, our next video is going to be a video on Gold Coast bike night 2020. The end of every month, the fourth weekend, Gold Coast bike night have their big event, and so we'll go check out the first one for the year of 2020 and see how that goes. And with new levers and new grips too, so yeah, awesome. Well, I'm gonna sign off here guys, so don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and keep her upright. Until then, see you next time.